that's going to be happening tomorrow, okay? So everyone, we're going to go ahead and walk down this long hallway all the way down to the beach, all right? All right.
She's rehearsal dinner.
I saw the mileage, but I was still have a hard time making it.
All right, guys, welcome. Welcome to your private beachfront. So everything from the ceremony, cocktail hour, reception is happening right here on your own private beachfront. So you guys do not have to worry about going anywhere else but staying right here, okay? So tomorrow is going to be the ceremony. So the ceremony is starting at 5 o'clock. Tomorrow the ceremony is starting at 5 o'clock. Tomorrow the ceremony is starting at 5 o'clock. What time's the ceremony tomorrow? 5:30. Nice. There's always got to be one. All right, so we're going to be lining up here according to, actually, do I have my officiant here? Yeah. Joe? Yeah. Be officiant. Beautiful. You're going to come right with me. Right. And then I'm going to go ahead and put Joe in his spot, and then I'm going to come back, and we're going to line up just as you walk down. And Mom? Perfect. Right here for me. Face up. You are a flower boy as well. You're going to go ahead and hit that light pole right there. You guys are going to go ahead and
Good job. Good job, Mel. Slow down. Yeah, right now. You got it. Like,
Not that slow. Hi. Not like that.
All right, if you guys stop right there for me, okay? All right, Doug, I have you come here right up here for me. My guys, just stand up here. I need your feet in the sand, heels against the concrete. Move down a little bit here, guys. Move down, Chris. Move down. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, I got you from a recipe. I got you all. Look at it, John. We told you that.
Down here?
Yeah. Come on. Somebody's telling this.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Okay. Any special giveaways? Thumbs up? Getting excited? Yep. All right, guys. Perfect. Anything you want to go over with the couple? I usually like it, but that's up to you.
I know, it's fine. I have a line where I asked them to do it, and I can take that out. It's not a big deal. I just want to make sure I know. Yeah, no, that's fine. At the point, at some point, I asked to get the ring. Okay, and they put the rings on after they're saying I did. I'm going to ask him, and then I just slide the ring on her. She slides the ring on him.
So, right, do you have like giving out the ring?
You know the area.
Perfect. Come on in. There we go, guys. Yeah. Perfect. Guys, no sunglasses on your shirts, no sunglasses in your pockets. Give them to a family, a friend, a loved one. Put them on the table here before we head down the aisle, all right, guys? The other thing So for photography and my wedding party, our photography starts at 2:30 in your robe. 2:30 to make her ready in your robe in her suite. What suite do we have you in?
118. They're all doing hair makeup.
Yeah, we'll all be there already. I think that's where our hair
What time are we at in your room? 8:30.
My guys, I need you dressed and ready to go at 3:15. We're going to be meeting in the lobby at 3:15. Do you know what room you're getting ready in?
Right, like take your time. Yeah.
All right, no problem. So dressed and ready to go at 3:15. You have your own boutonniere. There's no other boutonnieres coming up.